Preparing for the September 2025 ACCA exams, then your revision kit is your best friend if you use it right. Most students get the revision kit and either rush through the questions randomly or use it too late in their study cycle. But here's the truth. The revision kit is not just a question bank. It's a strategy tool. It teaches you exam technique, time management, and how to think like the examiner. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use your ACCA revision kit effectively to maximize your marks and your confidence, especially for the updated 2025 syllabus. Let's dive in. Let's begin with the timing. A common mistake students make is either using the kit too early or too late. You should start using the revision kit after completing your full syllabus once, ideally around 6 to 8 weeks before the exam. That way, your basic understanding is in place and now it's time to switch gears from learning to application and practice. If you're studying for papers like FR or SBR which have seen syllabus changes in 2025, make sure you're using an updated kit aligned with the September 2025 structure. Most ACCA approved revision kits like those from Kaplan or BPP follow the structure. Section A, Objective Type or MCQ for applied knowledge skills. Section B, Scenario-based questions. Section C, long-form questions with case studies, especially from FR, SBR and strategic professional papers. And model answers are given at the end of each chapter or section. Remember, don't just dive in first. Scan through the table of contents to identify high-weightage topics. These are the areas where practicing more questions gives you the best return on your effort. One golden rule: never just read through model answers. The goal isn't to admire perfect solutions. It's to struggle a little, think hard, and get it wrong so you can learn. Here's how you should do it. Pick a topic you've just revised. Set a timer according to the exam. For example, a 10-mark question, give yourself 18 minutes. Attempt the question under exam conditions. Only then compare your answer with the model solution. Analyze the difference. Did you miss structure keywords, technical points? Take notes on what your answer differed. That's where growth happens. Model answers are written the way examiners want to see responses. Structured, professional tone, stepwise logic, IFRS references or ethical frameworks, especially for SBR. So instead of memorizing answers, focus on picking up how they open a response, how they link each point to marks, how they conclude common keywords like recognize, measure, justify, evaluate, advise. Practicing this technique is as important as knowing the content. Here's a sample 4-week plan leading up to your September 2025 exam. Week 1. Begin with the topic-wise question solving covering around 3 to 4 topics per week. Focus especially on your weaker areas and review the related theory alongside the revision kit questions to reinforce understanding. Week 2. Move on to timed practice sessions, gradually increasing the intensity and complexity of the questions. This week include a mix of both topic-specific and mixed question sets to stimulate variety and building adaptability. Week 3. Attempt full-length mock papers from the revision kit under strict exam conditions. Print out papers if necessary and time yourself exactly as you would in the real exam to build stamina and confidence. Week 4. Dedicate this week to reviewing your errors, revisiting questions you struggled with, and analyzing examiner reports for deeper insight. Make it a point to re-attempt difficult questions, ensuring you've closed all knowledge and technique gaps before exam day. Pro tip: don't avoid questions you got wrong. Redo them after 3 days. That's how retention builds. If you're preparing for applied skills or strategic professional papers, combine your revision kit, practice with ACCA's official practice platform. Here you get past paper style questions, digital exam format simulation, practice using spreadsheet tools, structured responses and file uploads, just like the real exam. Use the kit for content and technique. Use the platform for format and confidence. Let me quickly highlight a few common mistakes students make while using revision kits. Mistakes you should definitely avoid. Many students only attempt the easier questions and skip the more challenging case-based ones, which are often the ones that appear in exams. Some forget to time themselves during practice, leading to panic and poor time management during the actual exam. Another frequent error is reading through model answers without attempting the question first. This creates a false sense of confidence and limits real learning. Students also tend to skip reviewing their mistakes, missing the chance to understand where and why they lost marks. And lastly, some continue using outdated kits without checking for syllabus updates, especially critical for subjects like FR and SBR, which have undergone changes for the September 2025 session. Avoiding these mistakes can significantly improve both your confidence and your final score. At FinPlan Edu, we guide our students step by step through strategic revision, kit usage, mock tests, analysis, and exam technique, especially in the light of the 2025 ACCA syllabus changes. If you want help building your personalized revision schedule or just need clarity on updated questions, reach out to us. We're here to help you prepare smarter, not harder. To wrap up your revision kit isn't just the question bank, it's your blueprint to exam success. Use it consistently, use it intentionally, and let it guide your performance, not just your preparation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your ACCA study buddies. Got any questions about revision strategies? Drop them in the comments. We're answering them all. Good luck with your ACCA September 2025 exams. You've got this.